Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-600M2 Walnut bookshelf speakers earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the Klipsch store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item bigger Tractrix horn. A new, larger 90 degrees x 90 degrees silicon composite hybrid Tractrix horn provides crisper, clearer sound. Linear travel suspension LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter. The exclusive one, LTS minimizes distortion for enhanced, detailed performance. Vented tweeter design. The vented tweeter housing enhances the detail in what you hear. Updated for absolutely flawless sound reproduction, minimum distortion, and maximum efficiency. Tractrix ports. Utilizing Tractrix geometry, the Reference Premier ports allow for the most efficient, fastest air transfer from the cabinet for cleaner, more powerful bass. Dual input terminals for bi-wiring. Furniture-grade materials and finishes make these speakers a statement piece for any room-removable grille. Attaches magnetically for an elegant transition from powerful showstopper to discreet performance piece. Includes two RP-600M2 bookshelf speakers. Show more, see more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is using the same cutting-edge technology as their floor-standing counterparts. The Klipsch RP-600M2 bookshelf speakers deliver incredible sound for any size space. Leveraging a larger Tractrix horn, updated copper spun, 6.5 cerametallic woofers, a vented one tweeter design, and Tractrix ports, the second generation of the acclaimed Klipsch Reference Premier speaker series, features updated technology for the cleanest, most dynamic sound possible. If you've ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information, additional details. Audio output mode surround mounting type tabletop mount enclosure. Material wood walnut. Titanium ceramic speaker. Type bookshelf. Additional features bi-amping capability. Antenna location for televisions. Subwoofer diameter 6.5 inches. Controller type corded electric color brown. Is waterproof false warranty. Type full control method. Remote speaker size 6.5 inches woofer diameter. 6.5 inches, water resistance level, not water resistant MP3 player, no specific uses for product home entertainment, TV, home theater measurements, unit count 2, count item dimensions, DXW, X13, DX 7.95 inches, 15 inches, 5 inches, 15H, item weight 18, pounds compatibility, compatible devices amplifier, compatible with vehicle type car, audio hardware audio driver, type dynamic driver warranty and support. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes, that movement is upward. Sometimes, it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below, so you can check if the current discount is still live.